Hi guys, Abhishek here. Welcome again to a grand luxury 2500 square feet apartment. Welcome to the grand living room. This entire space is designed by LC Architects. We have a very special guest with us, founder of LC Architect, Asra. Now, Asra will brief you about the entire project.
Hi guys, it's a 2,500 square feet apartment in Mumbai. So basically the brief given to us was the client wanted very open apartment with quite luxury accent, you can say. So we've tried to incorporate gold accent in the frame. As you can see, there is this gold artifacts on the walls, and the base, if you see, these are all muted tones. So from the floated Buddha in the entryway till the metal art on the walls, it says quite a lot about luxury. It's basically a reflection of luxury in the entire apartment. You can run through me, I will show you around. So as you can see, we have this MFSN's painting here in the living room, and I wanted the light to be very soft. That's when cloth lighting came into picture. As you can see, it's all muted around me. I will show you more in the bedroom. Come. As you can see in the bedroom also, I have tried to keep the lights very soft and minimal. So even here in the master bathroom, come, I'll show you around. We have steam here in the bathroom. That's when I have incorporated steam-proof light in the bathing area. So there's this walking area here behind this door. You wouldn't even realize. Come, I'll show you. So here I have used 35 mm profile light to entirely lit the space. 35 mm profile light has worked out really nice for me, at least in this area. This walking area is entirely lit with no spots and no dark spots in the centers. So in the bedroom, as you can see, this is a metallic art piece, and we have tried to highlight it using these two pipe lights. So it creates direct focus on the art piece. Now let me take you to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen, and Abhishek recommended to use 35 mm profile lights. So as you can see, I have used two of those and it has really worked well for us. The entire kitchen is lit with those two lights. Now Abhishek will take you to the rest of the house.
Not now, wait for part 2.